Go. What's up, guys? What's the channel name? Oh no, Cody Craft Girltopia and Plain Snob here.
Bro, what are the numbers we're looking for?
We're at IKEA shopping for a nightstand. We're currently, I don't even know where we are. But this is Jack's stand. This is Hallie Jack. You should take that.
I'm not taking the power.
I'm gonna put it on here.
No worries, bro.
I'm gonna put it on here. Bro, we got Plain Snob riding. We're going down this aisle. We're going down this alleyway. Don't know if this is even the right aisle.
Bro, drifting, bro.
Plain Snob's drifting.
Bro, get on there and start drifting, bro.
Okay, bro. Record me, bro.
Bro, I'll be like the engine, bro.
Okay, bro.
Bro, I can't see this shit. Bro, he's too fucking fast. What even crash, bro?
Ah, bro, you're recording me twerking. Fuck you.
Jesus, bro.
Okay, bro. Bro, we
Bro,
just
get in the
finished
car,
drifting. Huh?
Get on the car, bro.
Okay, bro. Yeah, I'm going on the car right now, bro. We're sitting on here. We're driving right now. Fuck you, bitch! Yo, there's fucking someone right there. Yo, there's someone right there. He's watching us right now.
Oh, God.
Okay, bro.
Bro, I hit the brakes as fast as I could. Bro, drift?
We're drifting right now. Tokyo drift, because I'm Asian. Oh, shit! Oh, that was smooth as fuck! That was so smooth! Yo, we're here. Wait, I don't have the photo of the cabinet.
Fuck.
No, I do. But then I'm gonna have to start not recording.
Bro, just end it quickly for a second, bro.
Okay, bro. We'll be back, guys. I'm going on the car right now, bro.
Okay.
We're sitting on here. We're driving right now. Fuck you, bitch! Yo, there's fucking someone right there. Yo, there's someone right there. He's watching us right now.
Oh, God.
Okay, bro.
Bro, I hit the brakes as fast as I could.
Okay, we're back from the cut. We just had to see which aisle and bin we had to go to. There's a bunch of white people there. I don't wanna. I hate white people. 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 Fuck, I hate white people. Anyways, we're on aisle. Oh, right here. Oh, it's right here. We found Himes 2 jar chest. There's a lot of them in stock. That's gonna fit in the car, right?
Yeah, bro.
We should probably measure it. Yo, hold this.
Bro, but how I can't see what it's filming, bro. Bro, is it filming you, bro?
I don't know, is it?
I don't know, bro. I'm not looking at it.
What do you mean you're not looking at it?
I hate it, bro.
Bro,
Bro,
you
it's
gotta
not food. Why are you taking the ones from the back, bro?
Because you know the ones at the back are always the best ones. Oh, fuck.
There's no difference, bro.
Yes, there is. No, we gotta get a new one.
Bro, it's just a bunch of fucking wood.
Is it recording me?
I don't know, bro.
Okay, it is. Okay. Slowly this time. That was fucking perfect. Alright, get back to it.
I hate it, bro.
So we got our shit. Plain Snob's carrying it because he's my slave today.
Yeah.
He's brown. L. Yo, at IKEA, we found a bunch of Asian very hot. I love Asian people. If you're Asian, hit me up. Andre Maniclang04 on Instagram. We're about to check out. We're about to check this shit out. I hope I brought my wallet. You're paying if I don't have my wallet, right?
Bro, I don't have my wallet.
I hope I hope I have my wallet on me.
Don't worry.
Cause okay, if we don't have the wallet, let's just run with it. Let's just try and run with it.
You gotta carry it, bro.
I'm not carrying. Wait, you know where we parked, right?
No, bro.
Okay. Fuck. Okay, we're about to go to self-checkout. I really don't want to record at self-checkout. We'll cut the video one more time. I hope I brought my wallet. You're paying if I don't have my wallet, right?
Bro, I don't have my wallet.
I hope I hope I have my wallet on. Hey guys, we're back. Fuck! Car right there! We're gonna fucking die! I hate black people. Anyways, we got that motherfucking frozen yogurt cone. Got a haul. Got a cinnamon bun. You know, great haul at IKEA today. Spent I spent 1/10 of a band. Credit card didn't get declined because I'm not a broke nigga.
Bro,
But I don't know how to open the trunk. Why the fuck this guy got a Z, bro? Okay, bro. Cut number 3. Great haul at IKEA today. Spent I spent 1/10 of a band. Credit card didn't get declined because I'm not a broke nigga.
Bro,
But I don't know how to.
I always float on this street in a cars,
Holy shit. Yo, you gotta fucking chill. Guys, I thought I was gonna die right here.
bro. Guys floating, bro.
Oh, hot Asians right there, bro. Fuck, zoom. Wait, that's a fucking man! Fuck! That's a man!
Told you you're gay.
Fuck! No!